Hope you're all having a good day. We are outside. It's nice and warm, 74 degrees. Puppy's got crazy hair going on. What are you doing? You want to come up? She's hearing the hawk. Can you hear the hawk? Listen closely. She's literally like a foot away from me now. That's a good girl. Yeah. She's trained if she hears a hawk, she comes right up to me. If she sees a shadow go over the yard, she goes back door. We've had to train her after a few close calls with hawks. See, the sun is back. No birds at the bird feeders right now. Hi. Hi. Say hello. No barks. Hi there. Oh, let's see what temperature it is. 70 degrees right now. Feels nice out here. Looking to see what the dog was doing. She's over behind me. There she is, enjoying the sun. Crazy clouds. See those? Isn't that weird? It was perfectly sunny earlier. And these weird clouds came in. You got floofy ones over there. At least we got the sun, I'll take it. Morning, dove. Clouds are really weird. We got stormy weather coming next week, so I guess that's the beginning of that, maybe. I don't know. Rose. Oh, my sunflower, or whatever kind of flower that is over there. Nobody ever, you guys never said what you think that is. I'm not sure if it's a sunflower or what, but it made it through the last storm. That's good. She thought she found the critter, I think. It was just a cobweb on the wall. Silly pup. Beautiful sunset. I don't know if I can show you the front of the house, where it's at. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the reflection on the window even. Amazing. Absolutely beautiful out here. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.